guys, it's Mati here, and I'll be showing you guys in today's video how to easily achieve a quick ponytail look just using a wig cap, diverse types of wig cap. So we just need a few items to achieve this look. We have a white tooth comb and a rat tail comb for detangling the hair and partitioning the hair. We'll also have a hair gel and a brush to apply. If edge control is available, it's much preferable because the edge control will give your hair just more sleeky look. But right now I don't have edge control, so I'm working with just a black edge gel, Petas edge gel. And we shouldn't forget our hair moisturizing cream. Before putting your hair in whatever style you wish to put it on, it should be moisturized, thoroughly moisturized, so I wouldn't miss that. So we have our moisturizing cream and rubber band as well as bob pin. So let's hop right into this video. So the first thing I will be doing before getting started with the hairstyle is I moisturize my hair. I ensure I moisturize my hair enough, more than enough, before I put it in whatever style I wish to style it on. So I moisturize my hair and detangle. So right now I've applied the moisturizing cream on one side of my hair and I detangle. I don't know if you noticed, but I used to set of comb in detangling my hair. This one like added afro voluminous look to my hair. So I moisturize my hair and detangle before putting it in whatever style I wish to do it. You can use whatever moisture that actually works for you. Like for me, one of my favorite moisturizing cream is Emily coconut oil, but right now I'm out of it and I'm making use of the little one I have. So use whatever moisturizing cream that works for you. So staying on detangling, I love detangling my hair thoroughly because my hair usually gets tangled, so I make sure I get all the knots out of it before putting it in a protective style. So right now I'll be packing it to the back using the rubber band and the rat tail comb to make it slick down. To achieve more sleeky look, you can apply the hair gel all over, spraying water on the hair, then adding hair gel to make it more sleeky. But I don't really like much hair gel on my hair, so I'll just use the gel for my edges to style my edges. So taking the rat tail comb and trying to get a perfect center cutting. Oh, that's perfect enough for me. So after getting the perfect center cutting, I'll try to pack it all to the back of my head. Stay using the rat tail comb to slick it down. To try as much as possible to slick it down. Okay? It shouldn't be that tight, so your front line, your baby hair won't pull out, but it should give you that slicky look. So now taking the rubber band, I'll try to band it all together to secure it. Make sure it's tight enough, but not too tight. You have to take care of your baby hair. It's not too tight, but tight enough. Okay, so after using the rubber band to pack it, I went for that using the rat tail comb to adjust any hair standing. Thereafter, I love moisturizing. I don't joke with moisture. I love moisturizing my hair. So I will moisturize again, then I'll braid it all up together. For me, this style is kind of, well, actually semi-protective hairstyle, because part of the hair, especially the tips that easily get dry and break off easily, is being protected because you use the cap wig to cover it all up, and when you're going out, the sun won't eat on it that much. So it's kind of a semi-protective hairstyle for me. It's a go-to style for me also. So if you're feeling the vibe of this hair, please drop a comment in the comment section and tell me how you feel about it. So right now, after braiding it all up, I donut it, wrap it all up itself, and voila. So moving on to the wig. So this is my first wig I'll be using. I'll just take it and wear it over the braided hair at the back, and I'll be securing it with 2 bob pins. That's it. That's pretty much it. Just use bobby pin and secure it. Voila. Then I'll go further to apply my hair gel to start the edges of my hair. Simple as that. Good to go. Okay, I'm giving you the back view. It's really secure. Just using the bobby pin is secured, and it doesn't. The wig was full enough. It has a volume to cover the donuts at the back, so it didn't show at all. So right now, oh my god, I love it. I love the way I'm actually looking right now. It's beautiful. I applied the gel off camera, so this is the finished look. Now you can interchange whatever wig you feel like using. You can use it and do it. Okay, right now I switch up the wig cap, and it still gives me the pretty look. I love the way it's looking. And another wig cap, I love the way it's looking. This wig cap looks like my own hair. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.